welcome to our unboxing video. We have this bulk box that we purchased for one of our projects for our piggy bank. And this is women's clothes from Target, all brand new. We paid $183.34, which adds up to $273 per item. There's 67 items.
Are you going to And
this is my helper Felicity. She's helping us today. She's my assistant. Breaking into the box. Let's see how we can do this. Let me know if you need help.
I don't.
Good.
Great.
Okay. Oh, this is our cameraman Eugene. He's helping us out today. We appreciate his help.
He's a little kid.
Okay. So we need some assistance.
Ew. No, I don't need help.
Okay, help on that side.
If I can get through these stupid lights. No, you're just fine cutting it.
Alright, we're in.
That's what the stuffing. What? I'm just gonna cut it.
Okay. Open that side up. Yep. Hold on, we're gonna go one at a time. Hold on, we don't want to block it. Let's make sure. Can you look in the camera, make sure you can see it?
Hello.
So yeah, these are all women's clothing. Brand new. Come over here for us. Help me hold stuff up. Alright, we've got this little fleece.
Ooh, I want it.
You like that? It's soft.
I want it.
The tag says $30. It is Wild Fable.
I want to pick next.
Go ahead. Alright, we've got some thermals, cuddle duds, long sleeve shirt. Next.
Where's the cameraman?
Exhilaration. Oh, it's a dress.
I like it.
Little square neck dress. One of the reasons I got this box is because it has a lot of winter things that were listed on it. So it's good for the season. Another cuddle duds. These are pants.
And a shirt.
Yeah, leggings.
And a shirt.
Got a shirt.
And pants.
A New Day. Just a basic t-shirt. More thermals. This is a top. Little jumper.
Jumpsuit.
Yeah. Dress.
No, it's not a
$28.
It's not a dress.
Extra.
It's not a dress.
Is it shorts? No, that's a skirt.
That's a skirt.
Yep.
Or a top.
Yeah.
It could be anything. It's kind of like my mom's. Between
A coat. Like a puffer jacket.
kind of like mom's.
Yeah.
You could be twins.
I could be twins with your mom.
If you just had the same hair.
Yeah.
Hey, I wanted to pick. Oh, there's another part.
This is another one of the square neck dresses. Is that the same?
Yep.
Another one. Those will sell good.
Why did you just say that out loud? A vest?
Oh. This looks like it's men's.
Yeah.
This is a men's vest. Oh.
Can I have it?
Let the shenanigans begin. We'll
I
see.
want it.
This looks like a crop top like a junior's. Stitch.
Stitchy. This
So.
girl
This
juniors.
is a kid's skirt.
This says juniors. Doesn't this say?
That says Joy Lab. Ooh, it's soft.
I know.
Let's see, what is it? Is this a woman's?
I hope it is.
Extra large.
Extra large. That could be a blanket for me. Oh, another
Oh.
square.
There's a little tag on it. That is a first. We'll have to figure that out.
There you go. Next one.
Okay, another one of the square neck dresses.
Small.
Oh, another puffer jacket.
Ooh,
It's pink.
I want this.
It's a ladies though. Probably be a little large.
This one's larger.
Yeah,
Can I have this one?
I think it's still big. We could find you a jacket like this though.
Okay.
And we can match.
Oh yeah! Yay! We both can match.
This is Hot Toddies, waffle neck, V-neck, tunic.
Another one of these.
Another one of these. This is the shirt though. I think the last one was leggings.
Yeah. Oh.
Lucky Charms? Is that what this is? Yep.
He has
Hold up.
wings.
It's a Lucky Charms shirt.
He has wings.
Yeah. Looks like we got a lot of like, I see green in there.
Oh.
Oh, it's a crop top Corvette shirt.
Ooh. Got a lot of green in here. Oh. Another stitch.
Another stitch for
Another Lucky Charms.
St. Patrick's Day.
There's another Lucky Charms.
Another Lucky Charms.
So now we have a lot of matching.
Yep.
Yeah.
Multiples are good because it's easy to list.
And this is another one.
What does that say?
I don't know.
It says prom, 2 shenanigans, and tomfoolery. Fits our family well. Shenanigans. A blondie sweatshirt.
Ooh. I don't know what this is.
Looks like a coat.
Oh, that's
a raincoat.
Dang.
Let's see.
The poncho.
Oh, and
Another tag. How are we gonna get those off?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we know somebody that works at Target and we can get them to get it off for us.
Or you can just take it and say they forgot to take it.
Yeah, we'll take it back to the store. Alrighty, that's a nice raincoat though.
And another shirt. Oh, it's St. Patrick's Day.
Another St. Patrick's Day,
Ooh, I like this one.
which is actually good because that'll come fast. St. Patrick's Day.
Another green Lucky Charms. Another Lucky
Lucky Charms. Okay.
Which one do I want? This is
Oh, another puffer coat,
like my mom.
like your mom's.
Hey, we all could wear one. Then we would all match.
Yep.
I like this one.
Don't rip it.
I go. Wait for that one.
Little sweatpants. Champion.
Another one of these.
These are soft.
Another one.
Another
of these.
shenanigans t-shirt.
Another pink one.
Another pink puffer coat. I like the jacket.
Oh, I have this, but
That's
it's
pretty.
a little different. It's a little different.
You have one like that, huh?
But it's buttons.
This is a Champion extra large
Mine is a button,
fleece.
but we still would match.
Nice size.
Wait, it's yours? Size?
No, it's not my size. I said it's a nice
Oh, it's Stitch again. Oh, yeah.
shenanigan shirt. Sex in the City. Oh boy.
Is this a square neck?
No, that's a scoop neck. Another little dress. That's cute. Wander. Let's see. Wander Hot Toddies V-neck, tunic again.
Oops.
Thank you.
I dig to the bottom.
Ooh, that looks comfy.
They're
Let's see.
pants.
They're leggings. The cozy legging.
Yay, we can finally
This
get
is
one.
a dress.
Got it in the mouth.
Exhilaration extra large
Ooh.
floral dress.
Boy pants, I'm guessing?
Or sweatpants.
Those look like boys.
I think they're women's though.
They look
They're
like
just black.
boys. Someone made this.
No,
That looks like someone made
it
it.
does look homemade. It looks soft. It is a Wild Fable sweater.
And this is
More cuddle duds.
more
Leggings. Boy, we have a mountain.
Another.
Shenanigans. Those are leggings. Soft, cozy, warm essentials by Cuddle Duds.
Who is this?
$19.99 is the retail price. You okay?
Yeah, I needed to get more comfortable.
Okay.
I'm getting on the floor.
Okay. Let's see. It's a shirt by Cuddle Duds. Textured fleece. Very soft.
Huh?
Uh-oh, that came out of the pack. That's okay.
I'll get
It is a pair of the leggings.
Yeah.
We might be able to get that back in there.
Here, here's the box.
Thank you.
Ripped. I'm doing all the box ones.
Okay.
That.
That's a shirt. A long sleeve proof shirt.
I'm doing all the boxes.
Cuddle Duds. Scoop neck tunic. Very soft.
Cuddle duds, I'm guessing?
Cuddle Duds. Another shirt.
Cuddle duds?
Cuddle Duds leggings.
Oh my gosh. So much cuddle duds. Cuddle duds?
Cuddle Duds. Pants.
Cuddle duds.
Cuddle Duds. This one's a shirt.
And cuddle duds.
Leggings.
And cuddle duds.
And Cuddle Duds a shirt. Sorry for the dogs.
And cuddle duds. Cuddle bugs.
This is the Hot Toddies V-neck too.
This is so soft. Feel it right here. Feel it right there.
Ooh, it is soft. Cozy leggings.
That's all the boxes.
That's all the boxes.
Let's move on to. Oh nope, one more box.
Another Cuddle Duds.
So much
Oh,
cuddle.
Hot Toddies. Tie back tunic. That looks tough.
Oh, can they still see me, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
And next.
Another dress. It looks like one of the square neck dresses. Square necks are becoming more popular.
Here's the next one. Soft.
Oh, you like it? Soft.
Nine. Gimme.
It is.
Gimme.
Don't pull.
I didn't pull.
Prologue size large sweater.
Which one do I want next? I want that green one in there.
Okay.
And then I want that.
Dreamin'.
And then I want the
Sure.
gray and black one.
Okay, can you help me pull it out?
Gray and black one. Gray one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is another one of the square neck dresses.
And then the black and white one. Right there.
Okay. These look like pants. Exhilaration.
I'm looking for these tiny holes.
Kind of a wide leg pant.
I want that black one over there. All the way over there in that corner. No, in the corner. Wrong one.
Another Shenanigans shirt.
That one, that other black one. I hope it's another one.
Okay, well watch out because you're going to get, let's see. This looks like another Shenanigans shirt.
Yep.
I think we're set for our Shenanigans.
And then that's the same thing in there.
This is a turtleneck.
There's the same.
Wild Fable.
Next one. Missing.
What's it say? Let's hold it up. Move into the camera. Can you read what this says? Okay, you're on it. Okay.
Oh my god.
It says may contain wine. We don't contain any wine today, although it probably looks like it.
This is the last same things. These are the same things.
Same things. Let's see. Sunday football.
Sunday football. Some.
2 of those.
Oh, it's upside down.
Alright, so that's everything.
9.
Like I said, we paid $183 for all of these items, $273 per item. Looks like we'll be able to make our money back and then some. So we'll keep you posted on how it goes and give you some updates along the way. Thank you. Have a good day, everybody.
Bye. And